Are you looking to delete archived messages on Messenger? You can easily remove all your archived messages with just a few simple steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to delete archived messages on Messenger. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Archived messages are conversations that you've hidden from your main chat list. They're not permanently deleted. Instead, they're moved to a separate folder called Archived Chats. To delete your archived messages, start by opening the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once it's open, look for the three horizontal lines or your profile picture at the top left corner. Tap on it to access the menu. From there, find and select Archive. This will take you to your archived chats. Scroll through the list to locate the specific conversation you want to delete. If you wish to delete an entire conversation, long press on it. A pop-up menu will appear with various options. Just tap Delete. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap Delete Begin to confirm and remove the conversation from your archived chats. If you want to delete individual messages within a conversation, you can do that by opening the chat. Remember, deleting messages from your archived chats means they'll be removed from your folder, but they won't be deleted from the other person's messenger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.